My headlights are clear. Now I'll show you how I got them that way. This is how they looked like before, with a lot of yellow haze to them. The material I used were a variety of sandpaper, 400 grit, 600, 1200, and 2000 grit, some blue painter's tape, and a Milwaukee polisher with some plastics. I prepared a bucket of water because I will be wet sanding the headlights from 400 to 2000. I used the tape to mask off around the headlights so I don't mess up the surrounding areas. And I did a mighty fine job. First up is the 400, and with the 400 alone, the yellow immediately starts to fall off. If I did this again on these headlights, I would find a nice little sanding block. These lights have an odd shape. This is what it looks like after the first sanding, a little scuffed up. And just to show what it looked like before, the driver's side doesn't have all that yellow left in it anymore. Next up, I'm going to 600 grit. I found it was best to go in like a cross-hatching direction instead of just one direction. Now I'm on to the 1200 grit. This doesn't require much pressure. If you're pushing hard enough to hurt your hand, then you're pushing too hard. Now I'm to 2000, and this is my final sanding. Sanding is complete on both sides. It's time for the big gun. The Milwaukee M12 polisher. I didn't think I was gonna have to flex on this bad boy. I had the wool pad attached to it from the last time I used it, but I'm not going to need that for the headlights. I applied the plastics to the pad and then used the pad to smear it on the headlight. If I would have put the plastic directly on the headlight and then took the pad to it, it would just made a mess all over the paint. And as you can see, this instantly clears up the lens. Instantaneously. This polisher is awesome for headlights. I'm real satisfied with my end results. I know there's probably better ways to do it, but this is the way I did it and it worked for me. But it came out clear. There's no yellow in them. I don't know why on video. It looked like there's still like a little yellow sheen to it. Thanks for watching.
Show the lights that stop me, turn to stone.